1811 4000। यही कंज्यूमर हेल्पलाइन।
जागो ग्राहक जागो।
Let's go straight across to an exclusive NewsX story. The Health Ministry has been wanting to bring in new notifications that will ensure adequate warnings in movies that have smoking scenes. The health activists believe that these will go a long way in raising awareness. But Bollywood, remember, has been up in arms and they found support in the Information and Broadcasting Minister. NewsX is in exclusive possession of the letters exchanged between both the ministries. Have a look.
Dawn 2 and The Dirty Picture have lit up a major row. On the one hand is Information and Broadcasting Minister Ambika Soni, and on the other is Health Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad. In a letter dated 8th of December 2011, Soni had asked Azad to go soft on the issue of mandatory display of anti-smoking warnings in celluloid. In this letter that we have in our exclusive possession, Ambika Soni tells Ghulam Nabi Azad that the issue of bringing in such warnings during smoking scenes needs to be resolved amicably to the satisfaction of all stakeholders. And she's also asking the Central Board of Film Certification to maintain status quo. This clearly shows the tilt that the R&B minister has towards the Hindi film industry. If Azad succumbs to Ambika's pressure, then important on-screen anti-smoking notifications will not appear when your favorite movie star lights up on screen. As of now, Azad wants a series of notifications to appear on screen when smoking scenes are pictorialized. The health minister for now has chosen to look the other way, not committing himself to abide by Sonia's wishes. Upset at being stonewalled by Azad, the Information and Broadcasting Minister has roped in the Law Ministry to arbitrate the disputes. So what really are the options before the Law Minister Salman Khurshid? He can either urge the Central Board of Film Certification to go with them or decide in favor of Bollywood that is not keen on bringing in these warnings, or mediate in the matter in such a way to find a middle path. Speaking in support of Soni is of course the Bollywood fraternity.
We all do realize and we understand that smoking is a major health issue, and it is not put into any film with the intention of getting somebody else to start smoking.
We do not want to encourage surrogate advertisement in our movies, but what we have pleaded to them with folded hands is, please introduce a culture of self-regulation.
Bollywood's argument is that the Delhi High Court had earlier passed a stay order on the amendment of the rules on the basis of a PIL filed before it. Also, Bollywood has argued that giving effect to the provisions of the rules would create a lot of difficulty in the certifications of films, as these have been shot earlier and the post-production work is over. In fact, these notifications were to come to effect from November 14th onwards. Activists are not impressed.
The industry, because it cannot advertise the products otherwise, are trying to target the film industry to do so. So there is brand placements, there are, our actors, all our famous actors are smoking.
The debate might be focusing on freedom of expression. That is going to benefit the most and might be exerting pressure on the minister. With Bureau Inputs, Sneha Mordani in New Delhi for NewsX.
Alright, there's a debate now apparently between the Information and Broadcasting Ministry as well as the Health Ministry on those warnings that need to be put up on movie screens. Let's have a look at and discuss this issue with our guest. Joining us, Shriram Khanna, consumer rights activist, as well as Bhavana Mukhopadhyay from the Voluntary Health Association of India, and joining us from the newsroom, our correspondent Sneha Mordani. Mr. Shriram Khanna, let me come to you first, sir. Do you think that the INB ministry is acting under pressure from the film ministry and that the health ministry is not being stopped from bringing in such warnings?
See, this is essentially a public health issue. Millions of people are getting cancer because of usage of tobacco in different forms, whether it is smoking cigarettes or bidis or gutka. So the government policy has imposed a complete ban on advertising and promotion of tobacco products. So as a result of that, what the tobacco companies are doing is that they are paying film producers to position cigarettes, packets, smoking in their scripts so that the public is influenced positively about consumption of tobacco. So they are trying underhand means. Now producers who are going to get money from tobacco companies really find the Ministry of Health regulation something that will reduce their income. So they are trying to make influence the government, and naturally the ministry which looks after information and broadcasting, which looks after the film industry or the tobacco, are not amenable to tobacco regulation. They are trying to persuade this ministry to work against the Ministry of Health. So ultimately it's about public interest.
Right, Mr.
So
Khanna,
what I am saying is that we need to ensure that the Ministry of Health is able to implement
all right, Mr. Khanna,
its
fair enough.
warning.
You made your point, but let me try to put the story in perspective. Let's go across to our correspondent, Sneha Murdani. Sneha, what's the issue over here? Is it just a technical issue where the film industry is saying it needs more time, or are they saying that such warnings cannot be placed in films at all?
Well, Rishabh, not a technical issue at all, because this was very well known that these new notifications have to be introduced in all the movies from getting released around 14 November onwards, and this was to be in place. It is a notification dated 27th of October. The actual rules were framed way back in 2004. This really essentially was an amendment, but no word from the Health Ministry on why this has been kept on hold once again. In the past as well, we've exposed how pictorial warnings were not brought, so one just can't help but understand that the government, the Health Ministry is going soft.
Right, Sneha, I'm going to take up that issue of the double standards perhaps on the pictorial warnings and the film warnings, but let's put that to Bhavna Mukhopadhyay of the Voluntary Health Association of India. Bhavna, it's clear, in your opinion, do you think that the INB ministry is acting under pressure here from the film industry?
See, actually the issue here is, see, the tobacco is taken up by youth after watching films. Okay, there are almost 5,500 adolescents that take up tobacco almost every day in India. 1 million people are dying from just smoking. Now forget about chewing tobacco and other forms of tobacco. 1 million people die every year from smoking alone. Okay, so in India, that is the kind of staggering statistics that we have from the tobacco use. And India right now, we are progressing very fast. We are supposed to be one of the fastest growing economies of the world.
Right.
And if our young people continue to suffer with tobacco and they keep on dying of cancer.
Right, Bhavna. Let me put that question to Mr. Sriram Khanna. Mr. Khanna, how important do you think these warnings can be in movies? Will they make the difference and have the impact especially on young people?
Yes, what people see on in the mass media, they think it is positive, whether it's wearing clothes or it's dance numbers or it's behavioral patterns. So smoking definitely has an impact when it's in the film screen, and it should be removed. Either it should be removed if they think that it is essential to the script and creativity is going to be affected. Then the warnings which are specified by the film industry, by the Health Ministry, should be put in force. The same argument is made by the tobacco producers. The pack warnings which are supposed to be put on the packets of cigarettes, etc., are being opposed by the tobacco companies for the same reason. Because if there is a warning on the packet itself, the consumer will think twice before smoking. If he's not an addict.
Right, Mr. Khanna. Let me go back across to Sneha. Sneha, there's another picture over here. We've seen pictorial warnings that are meant to be put on tobacco packets. That deadline has been delayed for the past 2 years, yet you see the Health Ministry taking no action. Where is the collective will here to prevent and cut down on smoking across the country?
That's right, Rishabh. In fact, even in the past we showed how pictorial warnings that were supposed to be in effect from December 1st onwards were not brought in. Those, of course, were the new notified pictorial warnings which many activists said were gory and would be more effective in nature. However, in this particular case, Rishabh, I understand that the Health Ministry perhaps now should get talking to the INB Ministry as to where the problem really lies, especially because everybody is of this belief, has this belief that these are effective. In fact, we've seen that there's a 30-second warning that runs in the beginning of a movie. For example, Dirty Picture that we were talking about, but that movie, I can easily tell you, had at least 10 scenes of the actor smoking in the movie itself, but we didn't see any warnings coming there. So Rishabh, at this point in time, perhaps, of course, the ball really is in the Law Ministry's court, since the INB Ministry has
but perhaps it's accepted, perhaps across the board, that smoking is a serious health issue. And the impact that has on the popular screen also impacts that health issue. Let me put that to Bhavna Mukhopadhyay. Ms. Mukhopadhyay, do you think that given the pictorial warnings are delayed, perhaps now a division between two ministers on how to handle what's seen on your screen, do you think there's a collective lack of a will between the government ministries to prevent people from smoking?
I think, see, smoking is a personal choice, okay? If somebody wants to smoke or somebody wants to use tobacco, it's their personal choice. But what we are trying to prevent here is the tobacco industry should not unnecessarily glamorize a habit, which if a person uses a tobacco product exactly by what is written on the packet or as the manufacturer directs on the packet, that person will most likely die prematurely or will die at a very young age due to cancer or some other disease. So, that is the truth that people don't get to know. So when we talk of collective will, where is the collective will going to come if people don't really know what the truth is? And by the time they know the truth, which is normally in the cancer wards of different hospitals, it is already too late. It's already
too late, Bhavna, absolutely right, and perhaps a striking warning for young people who are watching NewsX right now, that the smoking does have serious health consequences, and everything you see on screen should not and perhaps not be imitated. I'd like to thank our guests, Dr. Shriram Khanna, as well as Bhavna Mukhopadhyay, and our correspondent Sneha Murdani, for bringing you this story. And coming up at about 8:30 p.m., we are putting the question to you, the viewer. The question we are asking tonight on Speak Out India: should Bollywood stop resisting health warnings in smoking scenes? You can call in live at that number flashing on your screen and express your views right here on NewsX. But now we're going to slip into a very short break. Coming up on the other side, the chorus.